Hello everyone, I want to share some important news about the Heartfulness Meditation Center in BMA Panvel. Over the years, this ashram has served as a peaceful space for spiritual growth, community, and togetherness. But after 20 years of use, the time has come for necessary repairs and upgrades. To keep up with the growing needs of ashram, we need to upgrade essential facilities, which will include meditation hall, training hall, rooms for stay, and reception area. These enhancements will meet the needs of corporate participants, preceptors, abhyasis, and university students for training programs and conferences. Current utilization of ashram facilities includes daily meditation twice a day, yoga daily morning, weekly Sunday meditation, abhyasis training program, train the trainer workshops, preceptors workshops, and many more. Current monthly expenses are around 3 lakh per month, which includes food, salary of staff, electric and maintenance bills. Phase 1 will cost approx 30 to 40 lakhs, which will cover upgradation of meditation hall, reception area and enhancement of training hall. After making payment, fill up this form and submit transaction details PAN SRCM ID. Sample concept of reception area. Current image of meditation hall. Sample concept of meditation hall. Immediate action. Let's start contributing for phase 1, 30 to 40 lakh. Share the Google form with account details. Share this PPT with all willing abhyasis of Mumbai Center. Donations can be 10k, 20k, 30k or more. We will give options for donations in installments and small amount also acceptable. Please feel free to reach out to Brother Kapil Thakur, Brother Sanjay Bishnoi, and Brother Balsubramaniam for further details on how to contribute. Thank you for patience listening and your support.